So on average, when you purchase things at the grocery store that come in bags, they're all together. They're in a giant pile. So here's a way I'm going to show you how to save on each of these purchases, plus a little bonus at the end from the dollar store or Dollar Tree. As you're sorting through and you're trying to find what bag to get, don't just grab the first bag you see. Pull out about 2 or 3 of them at least and start to count how many is in each bag. Most of the items that you eat, one of the singular item per bag, like you have a potato with dinner, get as many as you can in the weight. So if you're looking for things like apples, onions, oranges, count how many are in the bag. When I purchased these, they're mandarins, yes. And when I purchased these, the majority of these were coming in at like maybe 9, maybe 10 in a bag. This one has 13. So I know that I'm getting, I can't do the math, sorry, but I'm getting at least about 3 more servings for the same price as I would if I grabbed a 10 count. Same thing with this. This is a 5-pound bag of potatoes. Typically I just use 1 or 2 at a time. So I know when I counted these out, I had an average of about 4 more potatoes in here. So I know I'll get 4 more servings for the same price if I had gotten the bag with 4 less. Same weight, just less items. I do this with apples, oranges, anything that I purchase in a bag. Here's the bonus, just a little extra. Actually, there's 2 more. I had a memory. These cost $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. They are fantastic for storing the pantry goods that you need to have airflow, like onions and potatoes, garlic, and things like that. So just a little tip. Also, I'll be right back with the other one that I blanked out on, but just remembered for you. Hang on. And I don't know about you, but in our store, they have like this little super secret hidey place or decoder little type markdown stickers. Sometimes they keep them with the produce or the meat. Sometimes there's a special area that they move everything to. So be an investigator of your grocery store and find out where those things are. Because this is 3 green peppers and I got them for 99 cents, which is what one was costing up on the regular shelf. So this is on the markdown shelf. So there's 2 ways to actually save on the purchase, and 1 way to save on how you store them. Hope you come back and hope you subscribe. I am trying to get out about 3 videos a week. So come subscribe and keep up with me. See you again soon.